Hey guys, just a quick video on this 1981 K10 Scottsdale I bought today. You can see it's got mismatched wheels. That's just a wheel that I had with air in it. It came with all the factory rallies, and I'll get tires put on those. I think that's about the only thing that looks right on these trucks when they're just setting stock. But it's farm fresh, literally. This thing is set in a field for, well, since 1998. So 22 years, going 23 years, you can still see some of the barbed wire. That's a seat cover the guy had on it, and it done a pretty good job of preserving this seat. It's got one little crack in the seat over there, but the rest of it looks real good. Still got the original owner's manual. It's mostly original. The boy I got it from said he did start it and it ran good. I don't know, I've not tried it. I got a pretty good buy in the truck, which is why it's sitting here. But anyways, I've been wanting a four-wheel drive just to kind of do a little work in. I use my two-wheel drive truck a lot, but it's been lowered, and you know, it's just not very load friendly when you put any kind of weight in it. But of course, there's another spare I put on it. But it come out with 305. This guy put a motor in it out of an Impala. He blew this motor up, and the reason I know it was true, the guy I bought this truck from actually bought the Impala from him also. And I don't know if that guy bought this truck brand new, but that guy that I got it from said that that other guy had it as long as he could remember, so it's a possibility. But anyway, it does have a little rust in the rockers, a little bit in the doors. This is mostly just surface rust, and I'll clean all this up. It'll clean up pretty decent, but the passenger side rockers are the worst. But the cab mounts, all that stuff is pretty good. These door bottoms have some rust in them. Like I said, I don't know how far I will go with this thing. I may just put rockers in it, just leave the doors as is for now. Of course, I've got two gray doors that are probably about this color. I don't know, I'll have to pressure wash the truck to see what it looks like, but I've got doors on a Suburban that are real good shape. And I believe they'll work. I think that they're the same. So, but anyway, this is it. I'll get it washed up and maybe start it here in a day or two, and I'll do some more videos on it. All right, you guys have a good one.